Hey, welcome back, my amazing students. So on this lecture here, we're gonna start this series where I'm gonna show you how to build a habits application. It's gonna be really awesome. And we got a couple different technologies there that I wanna show you. But anyway, so here's how this application will work. Let's say I want to add a habit to my routine in the day. For example, let's say walking, right? And I come here to the color picker and I choose whatever color I want for this habit. Let's say I want a green color. There we go. Let's say I want to pick up another habit this week. Maybe I want to study, right? That's a cool habit. Let's go ahead and just choose this blue color. And you can see there that those colors are there. And if we refresh the application, you can see that those colors stay there. We can also delete them. And we have this little pop-up here that says, hey, are you sure you want to delete this? I'm going to cancel and nothing happens. But if I just go ahead and delete it, you can see this little notification there and the habit is deleted, and I can refresh it and it's not there. Let's go ahead and put it back in there because study is actually really important. So let's just make it blue. That's fine. All right. Then we got this little habits page here where actually the dashboard where we can see some more stuff in here. Now you can mark this done. And, you know, it would tell you, hey, it's done. It would give you this little button here and would show you that it's done. If I refresh it, it stays there. And then we get this little chart right here that would tell us, hey, listen, yeah, today's Monday and you have a habit that's done. Great job. But look, one of the cool things about this application is that, let's say, for example, I have been studying all week, right? Let's say I have been studying since Friday. Today's Monday, by the way. So I have been studying since Friday. Up to today, you can see that we have a streak here of 4. So I have been studying for 4 days straight. And that gives me a little streak there. And you can see the dates right here on that specific habit, right? Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Really cool stuff. I go to analytics and I got all this in analytics there. Really, really cool application. It doesn't seem like much right now, but behind the scenes, we're doing a lot of stuff that are going to show you how to build better applications than this. And since all my courses are progressive, that means that you're gonna progressively learn more and more and more until you get to a point where you're gonna be able to build any application you want. And one of the cool things about it is that we're using Python. And the more you learn about Python, the more ready you're gonna be in the future for anything. I'm telling you right now, you need to learn this stuff. I'll see you guys in the next lecture for those of you that are gonna take this course. Take care.